Hi, I'm Alex Thomas.
And I'm Brandy Thomas.
And we're the owners of Tabs LLC. We are a female-owned and operated hard money lender or private money lender in Colorado.
We work with real estate investors to finance their next project, whether that's working with a builder to finance their spec homes, or working with individuals to finance their next fix and flip or expand their rental portfolio.
Through the application process, we determine how much extra assistance or coaching a borrower might need because we work with new investors and seasoned investors alike. So if you need more coaching, we're here to help.
Building relationships is really important to us. Unlike other lenders that just review an application, we enjoy face-to-face conversations with people and meeting at their project. We've had some scenarios where we have to think outside of the box. So because we're a private lender, we can make and break our own rules, unlike traditional lenders who have set criteria that they have to work around. And for a variety of reasons, borrowers don't qualify because of self-employment, bankruptcy in the past, debt-to-income ratios. Because we're a private lender, we have that flexibility.
I'm Todd Thomas, the managing partner of Tabs. I've been creating and financing startup companies and real estate projects for over 4 decades. In November of 2013, Tabs was created to serve the investors in Colorado. You're in good hands with Alex and Brandy. They both work corporately after graduating from the University of Denver. Bring us your project idea so we can team up and make it a success.
We've learned through this process that a successful business relationship requires trust. So we want to be as clear and honest and upfront about all the different points of the deal so that you understand. And we want you to be that way with us too, so that you keep coming back and using us for financing over and over again. We've earned business from people who have been burned by banks or other lenders because they had a deal all set up. Lender said they were going to close, and then they either didn't close or changed terms at the last minute, and we want to be the lender that you can bank on for your deal.
We would love the opportunity to earn your business, so feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email. We'd love to meet you and hear about your project.